So I got the mega truck put back together. I got a couple friends who got their mega trucks put back together, and we are headed to a little party with a bunch of other big YouTubers. So today we're gonna be crushing cars. We're gonna be doing wheelies. We're gonna be doing tugs, and we're gonna see what else we get into. All right, so check this lineup out. Of course, we got a mega truck. We got some cars we're crushing. Shout out to AB Line Towing, donating these cars. These things are finna get crushed. So we got my truck, Ho Patrol. We got Jay in the short bus, the wheelie machine. Then we got Brian in his Blazer. Look at that. We got the lineup right here.
Drive it like this.
Yeah, drive it with him in there. Ah.
Go, go, go.
Go. Oh, shit.
Give this man a hammer. It's a good seatbelt. Hit it with your purse.
Damn. I wish you'd bust me open like that. Alright, y'all, we're getting ready to tear these cars up, but we're out here ripping these fucking fields up. Got the short bus, Ho Patrol, obviously the Rip Master, and the Blazer. We're just fucking ripping. We got Sketch getting in the Ho Patrol. I want to rip it. Rip it! Did you just shit your pants? Holy shit! Alright, we send these trucks up for the poles right here in their driveway. They just got this house, and we finna destroy this driveway. Oh yeah, we fucked this driveway up. Hell yeah. Alright, so this broke, as y'all seen. I'm gonna tow him back. Line, pop the transmission cooler line off. Got that fixed. They're just a hose clamp. Easy. So we're gonna get this thing back on the trailer. This thing back to the trailer. Look at this fucking trans line. So I got the trans cooler in the bed. The hose just keeps popping off. Hopefully it's not stopped up, but we'll have to get that fixed. But not bad, because we did a lot of crazy shit. I never climbed a car before. yeah, that was fucking wild. What a great day. I appreciate them letting us come out, letting us tear up their yard, tearing up these cars in their yard. Like, that's crazy shit. Tonight was fucking crazy. We did the fucking truck pulls, we crashed some cars, ran them bitches over. Jay almost flipped. So we were hanging out with Bradley and Martyn. We were hanging out with Steve Can Do It, band off YouTube. It was crazy. They were doing, yeah, hanging out with Sketch. So it was pretty cool. They were doing some bets. We didn't get to partake in that, but that's okay. We did a lot of cool shit in the trucks. So got to put a new trans line on this and a tail light. Other than that, it was a fucking great night. So I'll catch you on the next video. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.